So hello guys, welcome to a brand new series of mern-stack tutorial. I am Somraj, your host for this series from Coding Pillow. So if you are not familiar with the mern-stack, then Mern is a free and open source JavaScript software stack for building dynamic websites and web applications like this one. This is the full application. This full stack application has basically 4 tasks. We can view our posts and we can also create our post from this part, this route, and moreover we can also edit and delete our post. For editing, we can press this button and we can edit from here, and then if we want to delete our post we can also delete, and if we want to delete this one then we have to press this. So as you can see, we have deleted this one, and because all the components of the mern stack support one language, that is JavaScript, mern applications can be written in one language for the both server side and the client side. In this series we are also going to learn Redux for our global state management. So guys, with all these things being said, I just want you guys to sit back and relax and enjoy this series, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.